Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can change the color of the taskbar in Windows 11 desktop. So firstly, you have to make sure that your Windows 11 is completely activated. So for checking that, click on your search icon over here, then search activation. Then just simply open the activation setting. Then as you can see, my Windows is activated via digital license, which is linked to my Microsoft account. So now let me show you how you can actually change the color of the taskbar. Just simply close this setting. Now right click on the desktop and click personalize. Scroll down and click on colors. Now the first thing that I can do is, if I change to dark mode, you can see my taskbar color has changed to black. And now if I want to make my taskbar transparent, I will just simply enable this option called transparency effect, which will make my taskbar kind of transparent. And now to change the color, just simply scroll down and choose any color of your liking, like pink. So after choosing the color, as you can see, taskbar color has not changed, but only icon highlighter color has changed. So what you can do is just simply scroll down and enable these two options: show accent color on start and taskbar, and show accent color on title bar and Windows border. Just simply enable both of them. And as you can see now, the taskbar color has changed. You can choose any color of your liking from over here and the color will change. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe to my channel and take care.